y'all, so today I wanted to do a quick review and how-to video of cleaning your shoes using Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. I have seen this as a hack on Pinterest, and to be honest, I actually bought this because of that reason, as well as I've heard that it's very good at removing mascara, which it really is, especially waterproof mascara. But yeah, I'm going to be testing this out on this pair of pink suede heels. They have a couple of scuff marks, not many, but there are some scuff marks and there's some like darkening around here and here, so I'm gonna try that for sure. And then I also have this pair of sneakers that I wear to death, and it's supposed to whiten the sole there, which is slightly dirty and it's really wrinkly, so I'm kind of curious to see if it's gonna get in there. But yeah, let's just get on with it. I'm going to be using these white cotton round pads here. So I didn't see anything as far as how much to apply, how to apply it, how to remove it, what to use to remove it. So I just went ahead and used these cotton rounds, but so far it doesn't look like it's doing anything. The shoe just looks darker in that area that I wet. So I'll just keep going. So it's really scuffed here and darker here on this edge, but let's see. Oh my gosh, that actually worked! I'm super surprised. Okay, so I guess I'm scrubbing at it, you know, left to right motion is working on, at least on this scuff mark in these shoes. Okay. Oh yeah, it is definitely cleaning these up. Now it is leaving kind of some fluff from the cotton round, but that's okay. It's not sticking or anything. Just wipe it off. So there's that dark spot there. I'm gonna get a new cotton round to see if it'll remove that area. And I kind of just soaked it here in the center. Don't really know how much you're supposed to use. As you can see, I'm just kind of dabbing it in and then wiping down. So let me inspect it. Just by looking at it now, they do look lighter, they look cleaner for sure. There still are some areas that are a little bit dark here, but it's not very dark to begin with. So yeah, they're actually looking pretty good. Okay, these worked. So let's try the sneakers now. Wow, yeah, it's very dirty. I feel like anything, like even water, would have gotten this much off of it, but we'll see in the end result if they're sparkling white like when they were new. Like I said, these do have crevices and little cracks on here from just wearing them. So this is kind of not cleaning deep in there, but it's not bad. There's a rock in here. Oops. No matter how many times I wipe it, just dirt keeps coming off them, so clearly I haven't cleaned them since I've gotten them. Yeah, overall, this is pretty great. Like, they're looking really white, really clean. There's some areas like near the back and really close to the bottom. You can see the difference between the bottom and the edge. That's still a little bit dark, so like here is a little bit darker, and on the back side's a little bit darker as well. But these are pretty clean. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to get in there in those creases, but not big a deal. They do look much better overall. That's the other side. All right, so let's just do a side-by-side comparison of the left and the right shoe. Yeah, you can see they're definitely cleaner. The bottom ones are more off-white than anything. Now I'm curious to see what would be the difference between just cleaning these with water. I think I'm gonna do that. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back. I brought a water bottle with just a little bit of water inside. I feel like this is gonna be a little bit easier and less messy than if I brought a container. So I'm gonna try cleaning the other sneaker with just water. I'm not gonna clean my other suede shoe with just water, but the sneaker I will. Okay, so here is the one with the micellar water. Here is the one that I'm gonna clean right now with just water. Okay, so right off the bat, it is also cleaning the shoe like I would have thought, but not as easily as the micellar water did. Oh, and interesting, this is also kind of dragging across the shoe. I guess the micellar water has a bit of like oil or something in it.
Oh, sound is lovely.
Okay, so I've only cleaned this side, not this side. It is cleaner with just water, but let's compare the two. So this is cleaned with just water, this is cleaned with the micellar water. And you can see a difference, definitely. Yeah, you can see these are still very dirty on this edge, and even here on the front that I scrubbed a little bit harder, it's still kind of dirty. This is very dirty. Yeah, I do see a difference. Not a huge difference, but I see a difference. So let's compare now the heels, just because we didn't do that earlier. So I'll compare this side. This is the clean shoe. This is the one I did not clean. Oh yeah, you can see the darkness difference on the band there. Yeah, these are much cleaner. There is still darkness here, like I mentioned, but in comparison to the same area on this shoe, it's not as bad. Wow, okay. Yeah, so I'm gonna say this definitely worked. All right, y'all, so the verdict is in. Micellar water definitely works. I recommend this to clean your shoes. Clearly it cleaned my sneakers, and clearly it cleaned my suede shoes, so I'm gonna try this on other shoes and see how it works. I love that it takes off your makeup. I love that it takes waterproof mascara off completely, and now it cleans your shoes.